Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed negative today after 2 days of consolidation, but we've seen a very good recovery at the end of the session. So overall, this trend line on the daily chart should be a very crucial trend line for medium term outlook, for short term outlook both. The momentum indicators on the buy side, still the bias remains positive, and I'll be expecting this highs to take out and give us more extensions on the upside. On the hourly charts, this trend line is on hold, and I'll be expecting a very good rally on the upside till the upper end of the trend line, which will be close to 6300 or 6350. The momentum indicator is on the sell side, but I'll be expecting a buy signal as soon as we take out this high. On Bank Nifty, we have closed positive. All the banking stocks were moving today. Good momentum. SBI specifically was moving good. So I'll be expecting this range to break on the upside, and 11,287 would be very crucial on the upside, which is this high. If it breaks out of this high, I think the next level would be around 12,000 levels. The momentum indicator is still on the buy side, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Union Bank is looking good, has taken support at 20 and 40 daily moving average, forming higher tops, higher bottom on the daily charts. The momentum indicator is just given a buy signal. It's a fresh buy signal on the daily charts as well as on the hourly charts both. It has completed a 5-wave rally and a 61% retracement, entire retracement here, consolidating. Once this consolidation is broken on the upside, I think this the previous high would be retested, which will be around 140 145 levels. Stop loss should be maintained at 117.40 and target would be around 125 and 129 in the very short term. The second call is on ACC. This expanding triangle pattern has formed and taken support at 20 and 40 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal, so I'll be expecting this consolidation to break on the upside. Stop loss would be around 1124 and target would be around 1195 and 1220. So overall friends, I'll still be expecting the momentum to be positive, and I'll be expecting the previous swing highs to be crossed on the upside. Target would be around 6230 in the short term, and medium term target still remains 6350. Support now becomes 6116, which is today's low. So keep a very strict stop loss around 6100, and trade long. Thank you so much.